If you thought day one of the potato harvest was intense, well, that was just a warm-up. To get all 270 potato plants out of the ground, the next 3 days turned into an absolute marathon. Day 2 kicked off and the heat was just not letting up. I was dripping with sweat within minutes. But right when I felt like quitting, something happened that reminded me why I love this lifestyle so much. The fork broke the soil and the smell of fresh potatoes hit the air, and I looked up and saw 3 red kites circling directly overhead.
Wow! As I watched these majestic birds in awe, realising how blessed I was, a deep sense of Hiraeth washed over me. A profound soulful connection to the land, farming food from the ground from whence we were made. It hits you just how profoundly spiritual it really is. Gardening, homesteading, the life of an allotment holder, it's grueling work, but nothing compares to the sense of purpose that it gives. At the end of day 2, the work continued behind the scenes. In addition to the harvest, I was also keeping my other crops watered, but now due to the drought, my water butts were almost completely empty. So kicking off day 3 of the harvest, I decided to make use of the barrow and transport some much needed water over to the allotment. This probably wasn't the best idea considering that I still had 15 rows left to dig out, and I arrived at the allotment exhausted before I'd even began digging.
So I took a few moments to cool down, picked some beans, and then thought to myself I'd put it off long enough, so I got right back to it and got another 5 rows out of the ground.
Bring me into golden sunlight. If I'm going with you, I know we'll get to the other side. Sinking in, I know this feels right. Catching a breeze, love moving through me like a wildfire, like a wildfire. Never the same. Never you calling my name. I'm taking my sweet time. Hey, whatever the plan, I know I'm holding the best of me out of my hand. I know you always understand. Bring me into golden sunlight. If I'm going with you, I know we'll get to the other side. Sinking in, I know this feels right. Catching a breeze, love moving through me like a wildfire, like a wildfire.
Finally, with a barrow full of spuds and the beans I'd picked earlier, I finally made my way home. And if I hadn't been so exhausted, I might have shouted, "Get your spuds and greens here!"
That's one for all the Good Life fans out there who love the show just as much as I do. I got home, weighed each bag and added them to the tally, but I couldn't celebrate just yet because I still had another 10 rows left to go. 3 days into the harvest, 15 rows of potatoes dug out and 9 massive bags of fresh potatoes harvested, the finish line was in sight when day 4 finally arrived. And like a bull out of the gate, I was determined to get the job finished.
After hours of steady work and pure determination, the fork struck the dirt one last time and I finally finished the harvest I started 3 days ago. Standing up and slowly stretching out my back, I looked across the clear ground and realised just how much ground I'd covered in 4 short days. I pushed the barrow home one final time, already thinking ahead to the pumpkin harvest that is just around the corner. Before I know it, I'll be pushing a barrow full of pumpkins across leaf-covered ground, so make sure you keep an eye out for that one. I carried the last 3 bags up the path, weighed them and then added them to the total tally. And here they are, 12 bags of beautiful fresh potatoes. They will be stored just behind this door and should feed me and my family throughout the winter months. This 4-day harvest has been a truly massive task, but 4 days and 270 potatoes later, here I am. My back is sore, my shoes are worn, but my pantry is full. But how full, I hear you ask? Well, I won't wait any longer to reveal the final weight of all these potatoes.
So let's break down each day.
Day 1, the total was 44 kilograms. Day 2, 40 kilograms. Day 3, 33 kilograms. Day 4, 44 kilograms. And finally, 21 kilograms from the early harvest. So that makes a total of 182 kilograms of potatoes. From an investment of 23 kilograms of seed potatoes at a cost of £32, I have to say that I'm absolutely chuffed with the outcome. This is far more than I was expecting considering the warm and dry weather we've had here in Wales, and I really hope you've enjoyed this harvest too. And for all you gardeners and homesteaders out there, the next video may be the most important video of all, and that is how I managed this. I'll be sharing which variety I chose, how I planted them, and what I fed them. I want to share my methods with you so you can have just as much success as I did. So stick around for that bonus behind the scenes video. Tan y tro nesa, Dwbyn dithiach chi a'ch teulu, hwyl fawr.